Welcome to Violeta Ink. I'm Elena Cázares. Today we have another spotlight card, and it's like a recycling kind of card. These flowers are part of the package you receive at the Practice Corner, a new practice corner at Vanilla Arts. All the links are going to be in the description box. So I colored these flowers, and then I put double-sided foam in the back. I wanted to show you that one first. And now we're gonna be embossing the sentiment. This is the sentiment. I will show you the stamp in a little bit. And I did forget to use this little thing, so when I emboss it, you don't get all those little dots everywhere. That means that your stamp, whatever you stamp it, is the only thing that is gonna get the powder, which is the embossing powder. There it is. Very strong, or at least I think I'm very strong. Now I am using a embossing powder from Brutus Monroe. I love this powder. I know there's other ways to do this, that it won't make a big mess, but I do not know the other ways. So I went and put it in the trash. Sorry, I shouldn't be wasting that much. Especially when I'm doing a video about recycling, right? So, I like for my heating tool to be really hot. So that's what I'm doing at this moment. And now I'm going to show you, this is the embossing ink, which is like a glue that you use. It's also from Brutus Monroe. If you wait until your tool is very hot, you just have to go through the image just a little bit. Remember not to stay there for a long time, because then it's gonna melt too much. It's not, the form of the letters is gonna be kind of like squash. That's not what you want. So now I needed to choose the dies that I'm gonna be using, and this one is one that you've seen a lot of times. I used, it has 5 frames, and I thought I would use this one, which is the second from the biggest. But then when I went and cut it, I did it with the third, which is this one right here, the third one from the big, not that one, sorry, this one, yes, this one, the third one from the biggest. And what this die does is gonna cut a frame. So you're only gonna get like a dry rectangle in the middle, and this is the frame. I cut the frame in, of course, the regular paper that my image was stamped on, and foam tape, because I want the frame to be lifted. So what I'm gonna do first, because the foam is going to stretch, so I wanted it to kind of go back to normal size. That's why I'm doing this first, so it can be ready by the time I need it. This was Gina K glue. I'm just putting the frame on top of the other frame, the paper frame on top of the foam, making sure that because it's already stretched, that it is going back into place. And then this little rectangle of foam I'm also using to give the sentiment a little bit more of a lift. So these are gonna be here just drying. My note card today is a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Making sure it's folded correctly. Now, this one I just got. I got it from Simon Says Stamps, and I love this background die. You will see it in a moment. It's right there. And the little squares, the little dots that it has in the middle, I thought, I could leave it white on white, but the flowers have no greenery on it. So I decided to use some foam tape that is green to give it just a little bit of a hint. You're not gonna see it much. It's not like you're gonna see leaves there, but I think it will really give a good pop to it. Now, because this cutoff is gonna have a lot of little dots, and you don't want the glue to be on it. You don't want the tape to be on it. So just be careful and make sure that you go through the spaces that do not have any little holes, just like I'm doing right now. And then, because it's so many, I decided to start using my glue. This is Gina K Connect. My videos are always so long that I always have to make them faster. But this time, if you can notice, I didn't. So I guess I am getting faster, so I don't have to be making it shorter. And then this one is glued in the back, and this is what we are it's gonna be our first layer in the note card. Of course, I didn't do it correctly, so I had to cut a little bit of it right there. Now we're gonna use double-sided tape. I should have used glue also, but I don't think I did. You know, when you use glue on top of it, you can actually wiggle it a little bit just in case you don't go exactly what it's supposed to be. And I think, yay! It is properly glued into the card. Yes, I know, it's a miracle. This usually doesn't happen to me. Next, our second layer is going to be the sentiment. And really it's just going to be double-sided tape. Now is a very good time for you to subscribe and like the video. Oh, and the notification button, so you get it notify every single time that we have a new video. was going to be with foam. So there I was not sure, did I want to take away that petal that was over there because I covered it so well on my gift. Now where to put this one? I would say that looks good. I like that. And this is the one that I actually took a little bit of the foam to And that's it. This is our finished card. Thank you for watching. Oh, but no, don't add anything else. Good. And this is our final card. I hope you liked it. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.